Hey guys, making another video here. This is on ammo cans and ammo storage, which is this is gonna be like a video, not a response, but just a add-on to the desiccant video I just made. This is a metal ammo can, obviously, and here is a plastic can, ammo can by MTM. And this is the zombie version. Gotta love it. Alright, so here we go. This is 12 gauge slugs, 12 gauge buckshot. By the way, I have 6 other ammo cans. I've got one other one and then 5 other of these filled with ammo. And I'm not even done yet. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Oh. Okay, you can see, not the one I just made, however, works. 3-inch slug. This is pretty much just to show you how I store my ammo cans, in case anyone doesn't know how or wants to try a different way of storing. Actually, let me bring this down here and show you up close. You can see the top row, except this one right here. They're alternated. You can see brass, and this is probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 rows high. So there's quite a few in here. There's at least 200. These are 3-inch. These ones are 3-inch. Top row is all 3-inch. However, the bottom is 2 3/4, and they're a mixture of Winchester and Remington. But that's how I do it for shotgun ammo anyway. The way I like about this is it looks pretty heavy. However, like 22s and all that, that's a lot heavier than 200 rounds of these, which is to be expected because these are mostly plastic. Anyway, on to the next ammo can. If I can get this set up again. Alright. Okay, desiccant, and then alternate them until it's all filled up. Dry packs. This is before I learned about these, but I'm not going to just throw them away. So once these get all screwed up, you know, I'm going to toss them. But this is basically this. These are the same thing. They're both silica. This is gel and this is sand. Same thing. This shit stuff. This fucking stinks. Anyway. Buckshot. And you can see, because they are 2 3/4 inch, I have room left over. So I was able to stack these up. Stack these up. And then even just fill in what I could right there. And because of this video, I wanted to show you guys another way of storing your ammo, 22 in particular. Since you can have 2 ammo cans, you got, well, 2 different ammo cans. Realistically, this has more space. You can even overflow it inside inside you'll have probably at least another row of 12 gauge ammo, or any other ammo you choose. You'll have more space vertically in this. Width and length, basically the same. You're not going to get much different. However, seeing how these both have shotgun ammo in it, being metal and plastic, that is actually lighter than this one, obviously, being plastic and metal. But this will realistically last longer because it is metal. Anyway, that doesn't even matter anymore. But now onto the special appearance. Just a tip, do not throw away your peanut butter jars. And I say this because you can fit quite a bit of 22 ammo in it. Hell, even 9mm or even 45 ACP, you can fit quite a bit in the smallest jar. This is the, I think it's a 16-ounce jar. And at this time, there is 372 rounds of Federal Lightning, which is 40 grain. And I love this ammo. Good ammo. Alright, other than that, that's how I store my ammo. And if you hold on a second, I will show you how I store my rifle ammo. Okay, so we have another ammo can, except this is 22 long rifle mixed. I have one full ammo can full of CCI Blazers. I have two desiccants in here because when I close it, actually I'll show you, you'll hear a pop. And that means that thing popped up and it's not sealed. However, not a big deal. Put a couple extra in and you're good to go. Now for 22s and smaller calibers like handgun ammo, this is how I store it. These are just Walmart brand sandwich bags with I think that's about 500 rounds, maybe a little less. And I rip off a part of the box. This would be the American Eagle 40 grain ammo, and that's how I store some of them. However, if you have large amounts of the ammo, you can use gallon bags like this one. This is a gallon bag. I've got two in here, one CCI Blazer, and this is the American Eagle. I use gallon bags and sandwich bags to put handgun or smaller rifle ammo in. It's just easier, and I don't have just a big can full of it like I have my shotgun ammo. However, that would take up way too many bags, and this is just easier in case I want to go out shooting, grab a bag, I'm on my way. But that will be it for ammo storage. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas, any suggestions, questions, comments, let me know. Rate it. Tell me I'm a fucking douchebag. Whatever you want. But thanks for watching.